Hello, good evening. Good evening, Moon.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, hello, Moon. Good evening. Wow, you look so good today. How are you today? How are you? Are you happy today?
Yeah, I happy.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm ready.
wow. Wow, you're ready. Wow, it's so fast. Okay, before we start our lesson, Moon, did you already
Ready,
eat?
baby?
Yes, very good. That's a bee that you can see in the picture. So before we start this lesson, so teacher has a question first for you. So did you already eat? Did you already
That's
eat?
a bee.
Yes, that is a bee. Did you already eat, Moon? Yes?
Yeah, already.
Wow, very good. What did you eat for dinner? What did you?
Mama,
Oh, thumbs up. Yes. What
I
did
is I
I eat?
I can is tomato.
Tomato? Tomato again? Is y- is tomato your favorite food?
And is vegetable.
Oh, vegetables. Wow, that's very healthy. So good job. So
Ah,
now, what is that? So now let's take a look. So let's start our lesson. Let's take a look at
no,
our
no is the I will is the mark. I ask class.
IS class. Okay, let's take a look at the picture moon. Okay, again, can you tell teacher what is the name of this animal?
It is a bee.
Very good. It's a bee. How can you spell bee?
The bee
It's letter
is
B,
no the
B.
bee.
Yes, the B. So B, then
The
E,
bee.
E. So this is how we spell B.
Teacher.
Yes,
B.
B. Very good. So
Yeah.
B, E, E. Okay, one more time. How
Okay.
very good. So let's take a look at the bee.
Flower.
Flower. Wow, very
B.
fast. Bee. Let's take a look first at the bee. What letter does the B start? What letter does B starts? Wow, you are writing B. Go. Go. Can you write the B like this? B, E,
B. B.
E,
E.
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 Okay. Okay, good job. Try to write it. B, E,
Wow. I like the color pink.
color pink. Oh, you can change the color there. You cannot change the color of your pen. I think you can change. I think you can change it like this. Oh, I have color
Wow.
pink. Yes, very good. You can change it. Okay, so now, does B starts with letter B? Yes or no? Does B starts with letter B? Yes or no? It's yes. So it starts with letter B. So let's take a look at the second picture. Moon. What is this?
Who? What turns out set?
This the second picture or picture number two. What is this? It's
Uh.
what is the name of this object? Hmm, you know this one. You said it earlier. These are
Wow.
oh,
Is a red.
the
A
red.
flower. Wow.
Very. How many flowers can you see?
Three.
Three flowers. Okay, let's say, what are you drinking? Okay, let's see. There are,
No,
th-
it's no.
oh, you're smelling?
Flower and only is a no.
Only is a no.
Now is a
No.
no. Is the flower? It's very mess.
Okay, it's very, very beautiful. The flower is very beautiful. Okay, so
Flower.
now yes, let's say there are, let's say
I
no.
said
I, let's say it.
is no.
There are
There are
three
three flowers.
flowers. Very good. So
The
next,
bell. Well, well,
well, oh, what is the name of this? Ting, 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 ting.
it's bell.
Bell. Very good. How can you write or can you
And
spell bell like
B.
this? B
E.
E
E.
L
L.
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 Okay,
Bell.
yes, bell. Very good. Does bell starts with letter B? Yes or no? Does bell starts with letter B?
The bell.
Yes, it starts with letter B. So here, ding, we have here letter B. So next, how about this moon? What is this object? Do you know what is this? It's a b b
A bird.
bone. Very good. Wow, very
Whoop,
good.
whoop.
Woof woof. This is what dog eats. Or this is the food of the dog. It's bone. So
It's
now,
bone, not fruit. The
uh,
the only is the fruit. It's tomato and vegetable.
yes, tomato and vegetable. This is for dogs. This is not for you. This is for dogs. Okay, so now let's spell bone. Let's say B, B. Let's spell B, O, N,
And
E.
E.
Bone.
Bone.
Okay, very good. So next,
Bone.
bone. One more time, let's say bone. Bone, bone, bone. Oh, what is this? What is this? Violin. Very good. One more time, let's say violin. Violin. You do it like this. Violin. Okay, very good. Is it not a guitar? Is it a guitar? Is it a guitar?
No.
No,
No.
it's violin.
Violet.
Okay, very good. Okay, so next, how about our last animal here?
It's a bat.
It's a bat. Very good. So now let's spell. Let's spell bat. Oh, is it a bunny? Oh, is it a labubu? Is it a labubu?
It's a doll.
Oh, it's a
Doll.
dog. Oh, I thought it's a labubu. Do you know labubus?
Baby tree.
Oh, baby shrimp. It's so
Baby
cute. It's a black bunny. Or it's a black rabbit. Oh, wow.
That's
What? What?
baby tree.
Oh, what is that? Oh, baby. Oh, I cannot see it. Let me. Oh, it's so cute.
Baby baby tree or only is a black. Baby
Oh,
tree.
baby free.
The and baby tree is a rabbit. Queen.
Yes, like, so cute. This is mine. This is my rabbit. Wing. Oh, this is my rabbit. But
Rabbit.
yes,
I have a rabbit.
this is strawberry. Strawberry. Baby
Teacher.
strawberry. Yes.
Baby free.
Yes, this is
Baby free is rabbit too.
yes,
The
it's
baby
rabbit
free
too.
rabbit.
Yes,
The
wow.
baby free rabbit is jumper.
Yes, very good. Good job. That's so cute. Okay, so very good. So now, oh, I think we finished our lesson number 7. So now let's move on to our new lesson. So let's see what is our next lesson, Moon. It's what is our new lesson? Summer, 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 summer. Okay,
Summer.
okay, very good. So our first season is spring. So we finish spring. So we are in summer. Let's say summer, summer, summer.
Summer.
Okay, very good. But first, let's play a game before we start our new lesson. Let's play a game about a spring or about our previous lesson. Okay, so let's have here a game, Moon. Okay, can you choose a number, Moon? Can you choose a number? What what number? Can you choose one number? What number do you want? Do you want 1, 2, 3? What number? Choose. Choose a number. Do you want number 11 or 3?
I like the number. I like number 8.
Number 8. Okay, number 8. No. Let's take a look. Is this a mouse, Moon? Is this a mouse? Yes or no? Is this a mouse? Yes or no? Hmm. No?
No.
No? What is this a mouse? Yes or no?
It shall have a mouth.
You should have a mom. Okay. What animal is this, Moon? What animal? It's a
Is
is it a dog? Are you sure it's a dog? Okay, let's no, it's not a dog. It's a
the rabbits.
yes, very good. It's a rabbit. Good job. It's not a dog. Okay, is this a mouse, Moon? Yes or no?
That picture.
Oh, it's Hello Kitty.
Shall have a picture.
I have. I don't have a picture here.
Yeah.
Oh, I have. I have. Look at my
Woo.
picture. Look at teacher's picture.
And 2 pictures. Wow.
Oh, you cannot. This is teacher.
Oh.
Ding. This is teacher.
That the not picture. Picture is that picture where?
Picture.
Picture
That is a coloring book. Huh? That is a coloring book. Why is it? Okay. So now, is this a mouse, Moon? Yes or no? Is this a mouse?
No.
No, very good. No, it's a rabbit. Okay, so next, choose another.
Rabbit.
Yes, Choose another number. What number?
I
What number? Do you want number 1? Number 3?
I like 4.
4. Number
I like
4?
4.
This one?
I like
Okay.
4.
Okay. Is this a ladybug?
No, it's a butterfly.
Very good. Wow. Good job. Next.
I
Num
like chair.
what number?
I like
3?
no. I like chair.
10?
I like chair.
What chair? 1, 2, 2? What number? Can you circle? What number? Circle, circle. Oh, 12. Okay, one more time. Let's say 12.
I like chair.
Okay, one more time. Let's say 12.
Chair.
12. 12.
I like chair and 3.
Only one number first. So let's say 12. 12,
Chair
12,
3.
12. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Is this a raincoat? Yes or no?
No,
What is this?
it's umbrella.
Okay, very good. You are so
Umbrella.
smart.
It protects.
Very good. Just number 3. Do you want number 3?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what are these? What are these? You know this
It's a bug.
one. What kind
It's
of
like
bug? Okay, very good. Next. Just another number. Number?
numbers. I don't have number 6. I have number 9.
Oh, number 9?
I-
Do you want number 9?
Yeah.
Number 9? Okay. Oh, let's take a look at this. Moon, is it snowing?
No.
No. What is happening in the video?
It's
It's
when
windy. Windy. Shh. So it has so we feel a lot of air. Okay, so next, choose another number.
Wow. It's funny.
Very good. What number do you want? Number 1, number 2, number 5. What number?
I like number 5.
Number 5. Okay. Oh, what is coming out of these eggs? What are these?
It's the chick.
Chick. Very good. It's a chick. So good job. Let's check. Okay. 8? Oh, we don't have number 8. What number?
I wrote, I said number. I said number 1, please.
Okay, 1. Okay. What do we wear in spring if it's too cold? What do we wear if it's too cold? What is this? We wear. What is this? Jacket. Very good.
Yeah, I know.
No?
It's hat and coat.
Hat and coat. Okay, let's check. Is it correct? No, we wear jacket. If it's cold, we will wear jacket.
Wow.
Wow. Oh no.
That
Okay, choose another number.
I like to.
2? Oh.
Yes.
Where is the bird?
The bird is
In. The bird is
in
where is it?
the nest.
Nest. Very good. Wow, you are so smart. The bird is in the nest. Very good.
I
Choose
is
what number?
like number 7.
Okay, 7. Wow, what
No. Yes,
are
yes.
these? What are these?
Wow.
Wow.
It's a bone. It's
Huh?
a bone.
What is that?
It's a bone.
What is that?
It's a bone.
Sabong. Okay, what are these? These are fla. What are these? These
Flower.
are flowers. Very good. Very good. So next.
We like
Wow.
flower.
Wow, you have a bunny in your neck. Wow, that's so cute. Is it a bunny?
No,
Oh,
it's
what?
a rabbit.
Oh, it's a rabbit. Okay. Wow, that's so cute. Is that a
I
necklace? Oh, okay,
I
choose.
love 20.
13. Okay. Okay,
No,
what is this? Wow, what is this? You know this
it's rainbow.
one.
Oh,
It's rain.
it's rain.
What is that? Mm,
Rainbow.
it's SpongeBob.
Rainbow.
Rainbow, very good. It's rainbow. Okay, choose another number. Very good. So you're
Point
so
number, point number 6.
number 6. Oh, is this a lamb? Is this a lamb? Yes or no?
No,
Okay, let's check. No, yes it is. It's a lamb. We call it lamb.
no,
Okay,
no,
choose another.
no,
No?
as the no, as the book is rubber flag.
Okay, choose another number. Number.
I
What
want you, I want
what
you to know about it.
what number? 10, 11, or
I,
14?
I like Pochi.
Okay, 14. Oh, what is happening in the picture? What is happening? What is happening? Is it sunny
It's a
day? Is it
Chinese.
it's sunny day? Is it sunny day? No. What is
No,
happening? It's do we have
it's
rain? Do we have rainbow?
it only happen when through the I see the picture or I do not go with you home.
What is happening? It's raining. It's rainy.
It's
Look, look, there are water dropping on the floor. So it's raining, and the boy or the man has what is the man holding? The man is holding the man is holding umbrella. So it's raining. So next, choose an
raining.
choose another
Wow,
number.
number 10. Well, I like number 10.
Number 10.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, number 10.
Oh, okay, moon. Is this the moon?
No, it's sunny. It's the
Very good.
sun.
It's the sun. Very good. And the last number. What do we wear if it rains in spring?
It's it's
What?
it's the boot.
Okay, very good. Wow, good
That's
job.
11.
Oh,
Oh,
very good. So good job, good job, good job, good job, Moon. So now let's move on to our new lesson that we have here. So our new lesson is all about summer. Let's say summer. Summer, summer,
summer, summer.
summer. Okay, so now let's check the things that we can see in the summer. So let's watch a video here that we have.
Whoa!
What do you like to do in the summer? In the summer. What do you like to do in the summer? In the summer. I like to swim.
Swim. I like to swim.
I like to bike.
I like to bike.
I like to surf.
Surf.
I like to hike.
I like to hike.
What do you like to do in the summer? In the summer. What do you like to do in the summer? In the summer. I like to read.
I like to read.
I like to camp.
Wait,
I like to camp.
I like to play.
I like to play.
I like to dance.
I like to dance.
What do you like to do in the summer? In the summer. What do you like to do in the summer? In the summer. Swim,
Swim.
bike,
Bike.
surf,
Surf.
hike,
Hike.
read,
Read.
camp,
Camp.
play,
Play.
dance.
Dance.
What do you like to do in the summer? In the summer. What do you like to do in the summer? In the summer.
is the
Uh,
song.
Wow, very good. You have a good singing skill. So for that, Moon, so we will end our lesson here because I can see it's already our time. So for this lesson, I want you to review our lesson about summer. Okay, so teacher will send you the lesson material and you will read it. Okay. Okay, so thank you very much for your time today, Moon, and see you again on Sunday. So goodbye. Bye bye bye
Bye-bye.
bye. Thank you so much for your time. Good night.